one more method to do this calculation. So let's start with example 289 multiplied by 999. First we will convert this 999 equal to 1000 minus 1. So we can write this 289 multiplied by 1000 minus 1. Now we will do multiplication 289 to 1000 and 289 to 1. So 289 into 1000, put 3 zeros, and then we will write this minus, and 289 multiplied by 1 is equal to 289. Next step, 10 minus 9, 1, 9 minus 8, 1, 9 minus 2, 7, this is 8, this is 8, and this is 2. Here is the answer. Let's see next example. 781 into 999. Again, our first step is 1000 minus 1. We can write 999 equal to 1000 minus 1. So 781 multiplied by this. 781 multiplied by 1000. So we will put 3 zeros, minus 781 multiplied by 1. So this is 781. Now 10 minus 1, 9, 9 minus 8, 1, 9 minus 7, 2, this is 0, this is 8, this is 7. This is the answer. After few practice, you can skip this step and you can directly write 781,000 minus 781, and you can do subtraction. Only in one step you can write the answer. We will do in one step next example. 569 multiplied by 999. So we will start with 569 multiplied by 1000, put 3 0, minus 569 multiplied by 1, 569, 10 minus 9, 1, 9 minus 6, 3, 9 minus 5, 4, 8, 6, and 5. Here is the answer. Let's see more examples. 9999 multiplied by 999. Again 9999 multiplied by 1000 minus 9999 multiplied by 1. So 10 minus 1, 10 minus 9, 1, 9 minus 9, 0, 9 minus 9, 0, 18 minus 9, 9, this is 8, this is 9, this is 9. Here is the answer, only in one step. Let's see more examples. 8999 multiplied by 999. 8999 multiplied by 1000, so 3 zeros, minus 8999 multiplied by 1. 10 minus 9, 1, 9 minus 9, 0, 9 minus 9, 0, 18 minus 8, 10, 0, this is 9, this is 9, this is 8. Here is the answer. 8, 9, 9, 0, 0, 0, 1. Let's see more example. 583 multiplied by 9999. I will explain you the first step again. So we can write this 1000 minus 1, 583, multiply this by 1000, 583, 30, minus this minus here, and 583 again, 583 multiplied by 1. So this is 10 minus 3, 7, 9 minus 8, 1, 9 minus 5, 4, This is 2, this is 8 and 5. Here is the answer. I hope this method will also help you in your calculation. If you like the video, press the like button, subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Have a nice day.